In this video, I will show you how to fix graphics driver crashed error in Valorant. Press Windows plus S button and type Device Manager. Click Device Manager to open the panel. Find Display Adapters and click the small arrow to expand the list. Right-click on your graphics card. Select Properties and check if the device is working properly. Now, just update your GPU driver. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website like Nvidia, AMD or Intel. Select your GPU model and download the latest driver. Install the driver and restart your PC. Now check whether the issue is resolved. If it's not, then press Windows plus R button to open run. Type dxdiag and click OK. Let the DirectX diagnostic tool load. Go to Display tab. Look at the bottom right section. It should say no issues found. Now check whether the issue is resolved. If it's not, close all programs and restart your PC. Open Valorant and wait for it to load. If it takes a bit longer, don't panic. This is normal after a driver update. That's it. Your graphics driver crashed issue should now be fixed. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.